I think it's going now. Now I me shoo. I'm tweaking right now, bruh. Tweaking my camera. Look pretty cool. I like this camera app. I might have to pay for the pro version of this shit so we can get on 1080. 720 a little bit too low. But I like the app. I like it. I like the app. Nawami Shu. Alright, let me get serious here. Let's get serious. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? 1106. Got 1106 subs, y'all. We're gonna have to get to 5K so I can give this PC away. If y'all want a PC, sub to the damn channel. Because we're gonna give this thing away at 5K. Be here before you know it. Be here before you know it. It'll be right around the corner. Dacona. That's racist. All right. What I wanted to do is where the live at. Let me see if I can see that chat. I gotta stop talking like this. What am I doing? What's wrong with me? I'm too excited. I'm hyped up about this camera app. Look at it. It follows my face around and shit. That's crazy. That's so cool, bruh. So cool. So cool. Where even is my live? I haven't done this in so long. Shit. Where even is my live in YouTube Studio? Didn't it used to live in YouTube Studio? Go live. I don't want to go live. I should already be live. Right? I think it's live, bruh. I'm pretty sure. Content, dashboard. Dashboard. All right. Bruh, I really do not remember where this shit is. I'm gonna have to ask Gemini. Gemini, where my live at, bruh? Gemini. Alright, bro. Okay, what is this? This says go live. I'm already live. I don't want to go live. Let me just click that. Alright, FlowStream Returns. I see it. Poor connection. Damn. Damn, bruh. Shit, we're gonna have to check this shit out. Where my earbuds? Where my earbud at? Alright, I guess let's click on this. Stream health, poor. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Moderation. Alright, cool. What up, chat? I think we gotta spell it like this. Chat. What up, chat? Alright, stream is healthy. Good. Okay, cool. Stream is healthy. That's good news because we're streaming on Starlink. Yeah, we are. Streaming on the Skynet. Stream is healthy. That's nice. That's good to see. That is good to see because we are streaming on the Starlink. Excellent connection, in fact. In fact, it says excellent. In fact, In fact, it do be saying excellent. All right, so I found the stream, and it looks like we're live here. I guess I could like just give it a little checksy wexy. See what the lag be like. This is what democracy looks like. You better go lay down, boy. Let me get my earbuds. I'm gonna check the lag. You better go. Valerie. Valerie. Oh, this is so fancy. It follows my face around and shit. Damn, bro, I feel fancy. Damn, I'm gonna have to pay for the pro version of this shit. It's worth it. This shit looks worth it, bro. This app is cool. Follow me around and shit. So cool, so cool. So I'm too amused by this. I'm way too amused by this. Let me get my little feet up in my chair. I gotta sit cross-legged. Cross-legged in my chair. Cross-legged. Oh yeah, now we feeling comfy. Feeling comfy, about to do some comfy. All right, camera too high. You gotta come on down a bit. All right, all right. Dream. The chat. It's Camo Studio. Camo like camouflage. Camo Studio. It's pretty rad. I do like it. It follows my face around and shit. It got a little glow. It's called Spotlight. A little glow around me. Makes me look like I'm, I don't know, some kind of angel or something. It's all kind of features in here. It's all kinds. I was just playing around with it a minute ago. Let me, I can't see because my stupid light's in the way. Filter, no, not filter. Effects. Emoji face. I got an emoji face. Face follow. I already had that on. Turn that stupid thing off. Y'all can hear me, right? Hopefully. I'm got a fly in my face. I just assume y'all can hear me, but I can go invisible. Oh, look at me. I'm invisible and shit. All right. Where's that other one? Oh, now I'm a jaguar. Meow. Whoa. Fred's on my head. I got a cat on my head. Apparently his name's Fred. Anyway, chromatic, starry night. I don't really like those. I can go big head. I got a big head. Lightning. Ooh, I got lightning on my face. I don't know who would want this, but I don't know. I guess it's kind of cool. Starry night. It's not really great. I get what they're going for, but chromatic. That's kind of cool. It's not bad. But we just gonna turn that off. Off. Oh, they got cool backgrounds too. Where'd the background go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Right here. This shit right here. Portrait, privacy, replace. Unsupported mode. Penthouse Vista. I look fancy as shit. Look like I'm rich, mofo. I be rich. I'm rich, bitch. Home office. It's a pretty cool office. Not bad. So yeah, but they got me on 720 because I'm not paying for the Pro. But they can go up to 4K. Looks like they got 4K going in here. So I might have to pay for the Pro. I don't know how much. I don't know how much it costs, but we're gonna turn this off. I'm gonna go back to just regular old me, regular old my room. I like my room anyways. All right, let's get real. Let's get serious. Serious. Get some stuff out the way. Get the camera. Camera's still a little too high. I don't need to see up in my ceiling and shit. Stupid little fruit flies, man. I got a fruit fly infestation. And I don't like it. I'm assuming y'all can hear me, so hopefully. I'm about to check right now, actually. About to check right now. And then we gonna get real. We gonna get serious in this joint. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Flow State, view channel. The FlowStream Returns. Error, YouTube is not receiving enough to maintain smooth streaming. Open widget. Well, I mean, it sounds fine to me. I can hear it. Aimbot. I don't know. Seems fine to me. It's a couple seconds delay. It's not too bad. Okay, there it goes. Excellent connection. Maybe it was like those backgrounds I was doing. I don't know. Anyway, I think we're good. We gonna I don't know if I should listen to myself or not. We'll see how distracting it is. There's a couple seconds of a delay. It's not too bad, not too bad. But this is a Skylink. We're going to the router over the Wi-Fi's to the router, and then we're going up to space, and then we're coming back, and then we're going out to all of you guys. That's crazy, right? That's actually crazy. I'm streaming up to space right now. I'm streaming up to space and then back down into you. To you. I'm streaming to you from space. To space and from space. And it's only a couple seconds delay. That's crazy. That still blows my mind. Space. All right, let's get real. Let's get real. We got to add some sources here. We're going to need a display capture, main monitor. How about we go... No. Oh, I see. Automatic. All right, cool. Not the Dell. Ooh, there it is. There she is. All right. So, are we... Let's see. Let's see what that look like. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, wait. What happened? No data. Damn it. Come on back. Come on back. All right. All right. All right. Mullis, go lay down. Go lay down. No, back it up. Back it up. Go lay down. Jesus, boy. All right, I think we looking good. Poor stream status. I can hear it. It sounds fine to me. So I don't know. I'm gonna go with it. Somebody let me know. Let me know what it's like for y'all. It seems fine. Seems fine to me. Seems fine to me. All right. So this is the app, Camo Studio. But I'm gonna put that over there, and then we gonna get gon' get. I guess we could. Where's my camo? Let's put camo right there, and we'll put him down here. There we are. Hey, camo. I haven't set up any of my stream stuff yet, so as far as like stream overlay and stuff like that, we'll get to that next time. We're just gonna raw dog it this time. We gonna raw dog it live. That sounds so bad. We're gonna raw dog it live. Sounds like some OnlyFans shit. Got little fucking fruit flies all over. I'm gonna be killing these bitches throughout the stream, so. I guess it's gonna periodically be a little bit of a delay because the satellites be flying over and shit. So I guess this is a test. Elon, get it together, bro. You need to put some more satellites up there. Anyways, Coffee Portable. Here we go. Let's put that over there. Ooh, look how fancy that is. Flow State, Creator Suite. Ooh, look at all the emojis and shit. Damn. Somebody really put a lot of detail into that shit. I wonder who that was. Valerie. Yeah, I like that. I do like that. Damn, these little fruit flies are like coming out of the woodwork. Hold on. Let me see. Look at this. Look at this. Hey. Get the fuck out of here. You gonna get killed. Ooh, got him. Got him, bitch. Hey, is my stream coming back? What's going on? Can y'all hear me and shit? Hey. Hey, bruh. Where'd it go? What the? Hey, somebody let me know. Let me know. I put it in the chat. Okay. Well, I mean, I can see it up there, but for some reason my phone. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off on my phone. I can see the chat. Chat. All right. Come on now. Come on now. Stream works fine now, Dream says. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright. I'm checking on my phone and all that, so hopefully we good. Hopefully we good. Alright, cool. Chat. Alright, cool. So let's put that one over there. And little fruit fly is gonna fly in my face. Piss me off, dude. I hate them so much. I don't know if the fruit flies are capable of feeling pain. I don't know if they're capable of suffering. But I want them to. I want them to feel pain. I want them to die slow, painful deaths. I hate them. I hate them and I want them to die. Something died under my house. Alright, what do we want to do first? What y'all think? What y'all think? What do we want to do first? Want to do wine? Alright, get out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What y'all think? I'm gonna pull this stuff out real quick. Real quick. Real quick like. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. We got 1 right there and 2 right here. 1 right there. Alright, that's good enough right there. I just want to see what we got going on here. I want to see the noodles. I want to see the nudes. What's that going to? Right there? Put it down there. 2-factor. We got 2-factor on the server? I didn't even know that shit. I didn't even know it. Super, you in the chat? You on the stream? You on the stream? 12 FPS. Alright, we'll leave it right there. I was kind of wanting to get started on some nodes. We put a poll up and the polls, there's only 2 votes, but it's tied. We got 2 votes. 1 and both. Alright. Well, if y'all have an opinion, let me know. Otherwise, I kind of want to get on a node. What was the next node we were going to do? We got this one, of course. Of course. flow state flux engine. God, I'm so tired. Ugh. Uh, the next node was the Asset Forge, I believe. Wiki, wiki. Upcoming. Detail daemon. That's what Dream was asking for that. I still haven't used it. Anybody got any opinions on Detail daemon? Let me know. Dream wanted that in the Flux engine. The quick edit, that's something we can knock out real quick. Real quick. And the Asset Forge is a little bit more involved, but it's really not that complicated. It's a lot of repeated stuff, so once we get a few of the building blocks down, we'll just kind of duplicate some code and then hook everything up. I do want to get that Asset Forge going because it is nice. I don't know. I know Dream used the subgraph version of it that I made, and I was using it for a while, but I don't like the subgraphs because it's a little buggy and shit keeps fucking up. Super says, can't stay long because I'm knackered. Hell yeah, boy. Nearly 2 a.m. there. Damn, where are you that it's 2 a.m.? Are you in the UK? I thought you were in the US. I thought Super was stateside. I guess he's in the UK. That sounds about, well, uh, it's probably, I think it's about 2 for Dream too. Y'all are probably in the same time zone. Yep. Dreams at 3. So yeah, y'all are pretty close. Pretty close time zone anyways. Yep. Yep. Damn, it's late for y'all boys. It's 8 o'clock for me. The Crea refiner is really good. Yeah, I do love the Crea for the refiner. It is so nice. Coding 5 hours nonstop. Yeah, you've been working on that app. Oh, let's do that before you go. That's a good idea. Where do I get that? Let me go over here. AI channel. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Ultimate TTS Studio Super Edition. Supporting and donations. First things first, you guys better support and donate. Bitcoin address right there. Jesus. Storage updates, storage upgrades, and data handling. Subscription costs. You got subscription costs? Where are you hosting this? Is this a cloud app? I thought this was a local app. Hardware improvements, GPU upgrades. Super, let me know. Is this a cloud application? I thought this was going to run locally. Are you hosting this? Kittens. Kitten TTS. All right. Where's the installation section at here? Support, notice. Cairo and cursor. I don't know what that is. To be quite honest. To be quite honest. Local. Okay, good. Cairo and cursor. All right, so TTS powerful all-in-one features. Ace super. I don't know if you've noticed. I just transitioned. I used to have a really long README like this too. But what I did was I just took all of my sections. Like you have all these updates right here, and then you have down here you have like your features and all that stuff. What I did was I took all this shit and I put it up in the wiki. If you go to the wiki here, you can just add pages, add a new page, edit a new page, and I just took the top part of my README basically, and then I put that on the main page here, and then I just took the installation section and it's on its separate page here. So everything's all, so you don't have to have like one big README. And so now on my README, all I have is like the main part, the features, and it says documentation. That'll take you to the wiki, and then sponsorship, and that's all that's on my README now. So it keeps this front page here like very minimal. And literally all I did was just copy. I just copied like this section and put it into one page. I copied another section, put it into another page. And it's literally just my README just broken up into different pages. Yeah, it's pretty nice. You just click add a new page and then, you know, click edit. It's the same markup from my README. I just copied it over. It's pretty nice. Anyways, let's see here. Features, super installation, Conda. Oh man, Conda. Oh, I hate Conda. Pinini. All right, install via Pinocchio. You can use Pinocchio script here. App installer. Install via Dion. One-click installation experience. What is Dion? That sounds nice. I like one-click. Oh, they both say one-click. Option 1. Option 2, auto installer recommended. Okay, this is the fastest way. Built-in installer script for automatic setup and app launching. Okay, I like that. Git clone, CD, run the installer in the project folder. I like this. Double click run app to open the app. Double click run update to update the app. Well, I like that. I think we can go with that. How about that? How about that? Oh, I just need this part right here. That part right there. File, clone, URL, paste. We're gonna put this right into. I'm getting started on some Chrome extensions too, guys. I'm starting with a little dark environment. I don't like the ones that are available in the Chrome store, so I'm making my own. All right, come on now, go away. Thank you. All right. Local. Let's put it right here. Super clone. Damn, this is a big one, huh? I guess that makes sense. I guess that makes sense. My YouTube keeps freezing. Yeah, it's probably, I think it's the Starlink, man. Because the satellites go over and the like receiver or whatever, it connects to one and then it has to hop satellites as the satellites go over. So I think it dips every once in a while. It stays connected technically the whole time, but I think just because the bandwidth dips every once in a while, YouTube's just not getting enough data. I have to keep I'm on my phone listening to the stream on my phone, and every once in a while I have to like close it and open it back up. Eh, it is what it is. All right, so we got that cloned, and now it says double click run installer. Local super. Oh shit. Shit, this is a project and a half, huh? You've been putting work in here. All right, run installer. I suppose that's what we need to do here. Ultimate TTS Super Edition. This will launch the installer. Yeah, I could not find any kind. Yeah, because I don't have it, bro. Oh shit, I gotta get. What's the difference between Anaconda and Miniconda? Yeah, no, it's probably not. It's probably not your end. Probably just the Starlink, the Skynet. But I mean, it's pretty cool. It's still pretty cool. Um, Hopefully Elon will get some more satellites up there. We'll get. I mean, I'm sure he will. I'm sure they're working on it. Any key to continue? I guess. I guess it's not gonna do it because I don't have Anaconda, Miniconda. Somebody let me know which one should I get, Anaconda or Miniconda, or both. I mean, still, I'm listening in my ear, and it's like maybe a 15-second delay, which is pretty much the same as like normal, like Cox or Comcast or whatever internet. So it's pretty impressive still. I'm still pretty impressed with the Starlink. Got some dips every once in a while, but it's still pretty wild. Anaconda versus Miniconda. Primary difference lies in the number of pre-installed packages. Anaconda is comprehensive. Well, thanks. I would have never guessed it from the name, Miniconda. Ooh. I'm leaning Mini. I'm leaning Mini unless somebody else has a different opinion here. I'm leaning Mini. Hey, let's try this. Y'all want to see something cool? Let's see what we got here. Check this out. Let's grab that. For the following, let's say package, Should I get Anaconda or Mini Conda? Gemini is so badass, y'all. I fucking love Gemini. Let's see what he got to say. I have both. I have tons of AI apps. Pinocchio is all-in-one AI app launcher. I'm part of the Pinocchio team. Oh, cool. GitHub page for Super says you can use either, therefore you can choose either one. Yeah, I know that. I would recommend Mini. Okay. Gemini recommends Mini. And Gemini is my oracle. Gemini is my muse. I trust Gemini to the death. To the death. I'm a ride or die for Gemini. Whoa, that rhymed. God, these little fruit flies are killing me, bro. All right, we'll go Mini. We'll go Mini. Mini Conda. Miniconda is free. Anaconda, Python, Anaconda. I'm assuming it's free. Oh, God. Got a video? I don't want to watch a video. Where the hell's the install? Download? This looks like Anaconda. Miniconda. Installing. Windows. Download for Windows. Alright, whatever. Just get out of my face. Command prompt. Yeah, Gemini is fire. I got the pro subscription, man. It's worth it. 20 bucks a month. I mean, I got it for free right now because I'm a student, but if you got a student email, they were giving away a free year. I don't know if they still are, but free year of the pro tier. Okay, I'm not seeing the link. Download for Windows, navigate to there. Yeah, is this looks like Anaconda though. Is this Anaconda or is this Miniconda? Get started. All right, oh my God, I gotta sign up. What the fuck, bro? Are you kidding me? Bro, really? I have like 1,000 accounts. Jesus Christ. I can't do like a pip install or some shit. What the hell, bruh? Really? 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 Jesus. Oy vey. Well, you know, I guess there's no way around it, huh? Hmm. What happens if I copy this? If I just install through the CLI here, Do I have to sign up still? How do I verify my integrity? I don't care about that. Yeah, okay, I don't care about that. Let me know if I can do it like this and not have to sign up for anything. I would prefer that, or any way that I can do it and not have to sign up. I didn't sign up for Conda, not that I remember signing up. Crazy. Can I install Mini Conda without making an account? Jesus. Creating an account is optional. Okay. Curl, start, wait. Huh. Quick start, install instructions. Okay. Curl it, start, delete. Okay. All right. Okay. We're gonna try it. How about we just try that, huh? No, not PowerShell. I hate that it opens PowerShell by default. I don't want PowerShell. Oh, I should have went to a different location probably for this, whatever. Yeah, it's fine right there. Let's get over here. All right, I can't see. Okay, thank you. Christ. Christ on a cracker. Setting up package cache. Cache. The package cache. Destination folder contains one space. This can cause problems with several. Please consider removing the space. Oh, well, I can't remove the space, so you're just going to have to get over it. And then it says that Tiny Home is coming on pretty nicely. Check this out. Check this out. How do I save this? What the fuck? Oh, there it is. I see. Save. Downloads. Save. Alright, close that. Downloads. Right here. Getting, oh. Let me just mute that. Way down. Mute. Mute. There we go. So this is what I was doing today. Working on this wall right here. Got the insulation in and the plastic, and I started getting the wood down this wall. This is the last wall that needs to be done. Yep. So this is my bathroom wall here. The bathroom goes in there, And my TV will be mounted here. My monitors will be underneath there with my desk going along these two walls. It'll be like a little L-shaped desk right there. My computer chair will be over here. This is my bed here. And then back in this corner is going to be where the kitchen is. Why is this? Oh, I see. Yeah. I'm tripping. Yeah, up along the top of the wall here on this side and on this side will be where all the batteries go. I'm going to have 10. I got 20 100 amp hour lithium phosphate batteries. So I'm going to have 10 of them up here along this wall, and then 10 of them along this wall going along the ceiling. And then across the back will be where all the inverters go. I have three 3500 watt continuous pure sine wave inverters that are going to go along the ceiling along the back here. So I have batteries down each side and then the inverters in the back, and then I'll run power lines out from there to the TV and the PC and everything else that needs to be powered. But yeah, it's coming along pretty nice. Pretty stoked about her. Let's see here. Copy that. All right. Okay, so I'm assuming it's installed now. And if I'm correct that it's installed, then maybe we should be able to do the thing now. Maybe. Unable to create process. Failed to run Conda activate. Oh no, Conda is not activated. Shit. Mini Conda prompt. Press any key to continue. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, Ultimate TTS. This will launch the... Yeah, it's pretty hard with if you have a significant other and or children. It's kind of a solo venture. Found Miniconda. Launching installer. Installer is running in the new window, and this window can now be closed. But then it said, what did it say? Conda is not activated. Please run this from Anaconda Miniconda prompt. Okay, so... Damn it, man. Okay, well, I suppose, goodness. Shit. Many, conda. Oops. Conda. Okay. Oh, fuck. How is it not recognized? Is it not installed? I swear to Christ, I just installed it, right? Not sure what's going on. No worries if you can't install it, though. It looks like, I don't know, my system's not recognizing Conda. I've literally never used Conda, though, so I have no clue. I avoid that shit like the plague. So I'm sure it's probably something I'm doing here. Okay. Well, maybe I'll have to look into how to do Conda stuff. Because I really don't know how. I thought I installed it, right? I swear I did. It don't look like it's installed. I mean, it should be Conda, right? I type Conda or mini Conda. One of those two should do it, right? I thought so, anyways. Thought you'd do like Conda activate or something, right? Panini. Panini. Yeah, like it looks like you should be able to type Conda activate or something like that, right? But for some reason or another, it's like not recognizing it. It says it's not recognized. I don't know. I don't know. Shit. All right. Well, I'll have to look into how to do Conda stuff, but I got it downloaded, so as soon as I figure that out, I should be able to run it. And in between time, you work your thing and I'll work mine. That's what Ludacris said way back in the day. All right, anyways, what were we looking at? We were gonna say maybe we can knock out that quick edit real quick. Quick edit real quick. How about that? How about that? Wikidocs. I think for this, maybe we'll just copy this one. Is there not a duplicate option here? Rename, copy. All right, well, we'll go new file and we'll call it flow state quick edit dot py. And we'll just get all this, paste it right in. Paste it right in. Of course, we don't need all of this. Well, I guess we do need a good bit of it because we still need flux. Close some of this stuff up. We can get rid of the params. Yeah, I'll come back to that later. We're going to keep all this. keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that. We're gonna keep all of that. All right. Mm-hmm. Let's see here. Before we get into this, I just want to try something real quick. Let's close that and go back to there. I'm gonna see how this does. I'm gonna see how this does while we're doing what the hell? Oh yeah. That's the FP8. We'll go with that. While we're running OBS, I'm gonna see how this thing do. We're on 720. No, these are all new nodes. The only thing that is the only thing that's the same is it's not exactly the same, but this is basically the same as the old node, um the one that was called latent chooser. That's basically what this is. Actually, it might be exactly the same, except for the name, obviously. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same. You have your little resolution switcher thing here, or you can hit custom and then it'll just use the custom width and height. You have the choice of using an uploaded image or your input image, and then or an empty latent. And yeah, so I think this is exactly the same as what used to be called the latent chooser. But this whole thing is built into the Flux engine. So like down here, you still have that same thing. It's all just built in here, so you don't have to, I mean, you pretty much never end up using this because this functionality is just going to be built into the other nodes that I make. So, but it's there separately if you want it. Model loader is main model loader on all my workflows. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm just kind of building that in now. So, yeah, you can just you can load a checkpoint, or you can load, I'm just calling it solo model, but it's basically like, your Flux dev or whatever, Crea, or like this one right here is FP8 checkpoint, so you would just switch that to checkpoint. And then it has you can load in your LoRa's, load in your clips, VAE, all that stuff's in here instead of having it out as a separate node. And then it's got outputs for that stuff in case you want to send it somewhere else in the workflow. But I'm trying to basically do everything all in one node. Yeah, tomorrow give an update, download. Yeah, check the, if you go to the manager, the flow state nodes are still in there. They're just, I don't have any idea if any of them work or not. The one that you want is the one with the little wave here, creator suite. I think if you click on this, it'll take you to, oh, yeah. I don't know. I guess I have a separate, yeah, I have a separate repo. It doesn't have anything in it. I was gonna try to just make that say retired. But I think technically it'll still download those old nodes because it's not coming from GitHub, it's coming from the Comfy registry. But the creator suite is the one you want. Okay, let's see here. What kind of video do we want to make? I already made this one. 720. Should we try 1080? Has anybody tried 1080 yet? Zero to two, 2 to 4. High noise, low noise, 12. Let's just see. Let's try 1080. We'll just do the same thing here. T5, FP8. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, let's see what happens. Ooh, okay, yeah. I think I went through and renamed these things. Yep. High noise and low noise. Invalid tokenizer. What? Let's try that one. Did I, maybe I deleted that one on accident. Let's do this. Ooh, hey cutie. All right, let's see here. Text encoder, UMT5 FP8. Yeah, I thought that was the one, right? 6.27. 6.27 clip. Oh, no, that's GGUF. GGUF. T5. Oh, that's 4.8. Okay, I guess not. Did I delete it or something? Maybe. Certainly I didn't delete it, did I? Maybe I did, because I thought they were the same. Maybe I thought I had a dupe. Alright. Alright. I guess we'll try. We'll just go ahead and get that again. And go back over to here. Oh, I probably changed. I didn't change the name on this one. Safe Tinsas. Okay. So we got that downloading right there. 6.3. Jesus, 35 minutes. Are you kidding me? Holy, bro. Why is this so slow? No, that's not what I wanted. There's no way. Is my Skynet being that slow? Two megs. What? 3? Is this because I'm streaming or what? 6 megs. 3. Jeez. Well, it's speeding up, but... Ooh, had me worried there for a sec. Still, this is pretty slow. Okay, it's speeding up a little here. I wonder if this is because I'm streaming. That's crazy. Yeah, see, it's dipping a little. I think that's because that one satellite's going out of reach. Yep. And woof, into the KBs. Now it's switching over to the next satellite. Now it's going back up. Yep. There it goes. That's crazy. I mean, it's cool, but we need more satellites up there, that's for sure. 22, 24, 30. Streaming. Yeah, that's what I thought. I mean, yeah, I don't think it's because I'm streaming. I think it's just because it's just hopping over to the next satellite. Yeah. Let's see what the little speed test thing. I'll try a little speed test here on the app. Still, I'm listening to the stream. There's only a few seconds delay. Oh, I'm not on the Wi-Fi. Let's put the... And that's actually because, well, there might not even be that much of a delay because I didn't realize my phone was not on Wi-Fi. My phone was on cellular. So it might have been... Let's see here. Am I live? All right. Let's do a little speed test here and see what we got. Network. Speed test. Oh, where'd my camera go? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Did my phone die or something? What the? Jesus H. Christ. Are you kidding me right now? What the hell happened to my phone? What the hell happened? Oh my god, my camera died? Are you kidding me? Well, I was gonna show you the speed test, but apparently my camera died. So, I guess I'm not. I'll just tell you. I'll just tell you, I guess. I got my camera plugged in. I didn't realize it was dying there. Did not realize it was gonna die. Alright, speed test. Here we go. Looks like we got about 90. Almost hit 100. 99. Yep, 99 down. And 20. Almost hit 30. 99 down, 20 up. 20-second ping, 20 millisecond ping. That's not bad. 20 millisecond ping. 99 megs down, 20 up. You know, it could be worse. Could be worse for space internet, you know. I'm not complaining, Elon, but I would appreciate more satellites. I don't know how my camera died. Yeah, a lot of buffering. I really don't know how my camera died. That's crazy. Let me get that going again. All right. Jesus Christ. The camera is plugged in. I don't know how it died. Jesus, bro. Come on now. All right. Here we go. Let's try this again. Speed test. $109. 140. Oh, 150. 160. 161. 161 down. 20. Okay. Yeah. So, I'm not complaining, Elon, but I would like a few more satellites. Okay. If you're listening to this stream, Elon, just letting you know, we could use a few more satellites up there. Keep my stream going real smooth. You guys been following this Charlie Kirk thing? I'm sure everybody's heard about it, but Jesus. I was listening to I don't watch Candace Owens, but I was watching somebody else who was like clipping her stream or her, I don't know if she does a stream or if it's a podcast or whatever, but and she was all like she was reading the text messages of the shooter, and she's like, DOJ, FBI, I need the timestamps of these text messages so I can fit them into my timeline, like being all demanding. I'm like, who are you talking to the DOJ? Like they're gonna, we'll get right on that, Miss Owens. Crazy, the entitlement. Okay, we'll get right on that just for you. This is crazy. Anyways, that's what I was just thinking whenever I was talking to Elon. Elon, I need satellites for my stream, my live stream. Just to let you know. All right, there we go. No. Wait, what's going on here? We don't have that much of a lag, do we? Oh, a little bit of a lag. A little bit of a lag. All right, so we got that downloaded now. Let's hit R on that. Oh, did it not go to the right place? Where did it go? Let's go to my downloads folder. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. It went to my downloads. Let's put it on over into right here. Let's put it right here. There we go. All right, so now we should be able to try 1080 here. Yeah. We got like a 2 or 3 minute delay right now. So I don't know what the hell happened. It was like 20 seconds behind. And now it's like a couple minutes behind. One image to video. Maybe I should do a smaller batch. We got 49 frames here. Let's see if it crashes. Let's see if it crashes the 5060. You gonna crash me? Stuck in this node here, huh? Stuck in the WAN node. Well, I don't know, man. What do we see in the output over here? Did it crash? No, it's partially loaded. Requested a low WAN VAE. Yeah. Maybe I should do a smaller, maybe I should do like 24 frames or something. VRAM and GPU both maxed out right now. Well, I mean, I hate to stop it now. It's already been going. I feel like as soon as I click stop, it's gonna progress on through to the next node. I mean, I've been doing this at 720. It can't be that much of a difference, right? VRAM on 720, it's usually pretty good. $1080, it's taking its sweet time. All right, let's try, let me stop it. And let's try 24. 24 frames, 25, I guess. Might be faster to just restart. All right, reload. All right, 1080, 25 frames. Let's see what we get. Run it. Run it. I'm real tired now. Loaded partially. See what we get here. Torch, float, 16. It's like 60 in my room. So cold. These little fruit flies, man, if I don't keep it basically 60 in here at all times, they just swarm in here. If I keep it cold as balls, they don't come in. I don't know how long it's going to take for whatever's dead under the house to decompose or whatever, but it's really killing me. Really killing me. Not a fan. Man, this is taking a while. I didn't think there'd be that big of a difference between the 720 and 1080. Damn, I guess we probably might not be able to do 1080. Let's see what prevails. See what he can do with it with the 5090 when he gets that going. I gotta save up for that RTX Pro 6000, man. I really want that shit. I have to see if I can do, maybe I can crowdsource it or something. GPU fund. Crowdsource the GPU fund. It's like 8 grand. 8 or 9, depending on the situation. I'm gonna let that go for a minute. Let's see what we got over here on Newegg. Components and storage, GPU. I think it'd probably be under that one. NVIDIA. Well, let's not do that. Let's do let's sort high. H200. Whoo, boy. Damn, Gina, 35 grand. The H100 NV-Link is 32 grand. Why wouldn't you just... Who's going to pay 32 grand for the H100 when you could pay $3,000 more and get the H200? You got the PCIe, basically the same price. Yeah, that pricing is like, I don't understand it. And then you come down here, you got the freaking RTX Pro 6000 for 9 grand. And it's GDDR7 with NVLink. This one says PCIe. It probably still has NVLink, right? Max power consumption 600 watts. 96 gigs, DDR7, 24,000 CUDA cores. Yeah, I mean, I don't understand this pricing at all. You got this one for less than 9 grand. The PNY for 8,400. I mean, who would even get an H100 anymore? $9 grand for 96 gigs GDDR7. And you got PCIe 5.0 and max power consumption 600 watts. And it's got NVLink versus the freaking H100 NVLink for 31 grand. I don't understand this pricing at all. But I want that Pro 6000. Yeah, it's out of most people's budget for sure. And you know, I guess most people you wouldn't even need it, but I definitely want this for sure. I mean, it's not bad. I think it's worth it. I mean, really, truly, if you ask me, I don't know. I don't understand even why it's this much. 8,700. It's not fundamentally like, I don't know. But as of right now, compared to the other prices, it's worth it. So, yeah. And then you still got these L40s down here. Those are still like 8 grand. So I don't understand that either. Shit, bro. I don't think 1080 is gonna do it. I don't think we're gonna get 1080 out of this out of the 5060. I thought it would do it. Maybe we'll try it with even fewer frames. I really want to see if it'll do it. 12 frames? Maybe we can get 12 frames out of it. Come on, give me 12 frames, bro. Give me 12. Give me 1 second of video. Come on. I'll do it 12 frames per second. I think that's what we got it on. Yeah. Yeah. Just give me 12 frames. Come on, bruh. Come on, Juan. I know you want to do it. I know you want to do it. I know you want to. Damn, I thought we'd get at least a few frames at 1080. 720 runs fine. I get 49 frames of 720 in like 2 minutes tops. The whole generation is like two or 3 minutes. So I didn't, I didn't think 1080 would be that much different. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I got places to be. Oh, are we back down on the delay now? Let's see. How long that delay? Oh, hey, we're out to the sampler. We're getting 12 frames. Okay, we're back down to about like a 30-second delay now. Thank God. That was on like a 2 or 3 minute delay for a while. Yeah. One to one. 1 to 1. All right, let's see what we got here. 12 frames. Give it to me. Oh, there we go. 43 seconds. Not bad. The VAE, we need to figure out if there's a way to do some kind of like tiled VAE or something, because that was taking a while, but the steps are moving right along here. "43 seconds. Hey, bruh. All right, there we go. Minute and a half for the first sampler. Yeah. Oh, come back. Probably be about the same for the second one. Yeah, that VAE. Yeah, we got to do something about that, because that's a bottleneck right there. This one seems like it's taking a little longer. Has it been 43 seconds yet? She got that. Oh, there we go. 43. Okay, not bad. All right, we're almost there, but then we got to go back through the VAE again. That's gonna take a minute. Yeah, we got to figure out something to do with this VAE here. Cause I don't like that wait. No, but I'll share it right now. Let's see here. Comfy export one. I'll put it in AI, I guess. In the AI channel. There you go. Yep. Back into the VAE. I mean, if it's doing it for me on the 5060, I imagine you got a 4090, right? So probably for you, it would be fine. At least getting 12 frames. Because the 5060, I got the Ti and it's only got 16 gigs of VRAM. So I imagine for you or for Sean on the 5090, the 4090, 5090 will probably handle at least 12 frames at 1080 pretty well. Maybe more. It's just that VAE, man. Yeah, 4090, yeah. Yeah, I gotta get me a 5090 in the meantime while I'm saving up for that Pro 6000, because the 5060 does alright with most things, but you know, when it comes to video, you need a little bit more. Need a little bit more. The 5090 is 32 gigs and it's also a 512-bit, so should be pretty nice. We'll see what Sean has to say about it once he gets his all set up. Gotta be pretty close now. Gotta be pretty close. I mean, the output should be pretty good, I would imagine. I can't see any reason why it wouldn't be. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Oh, no. What you got? Come on. Come on with it. This face tracking thing still blows my mind. Pretty cool. Pretty cool app. Wonder how much the pro version is. Upgrade now. $50 for an annual or 99 for a lifetime. That's not too bad. I might pay that. 2 computers, all features. Yeah, it's not bad. I'll pay a 99 for a lifetime. Not right now, but I'll pay it. We'll pay it. Damn. Pupper's letting it rip. He farting ass dog in his sleep, man. Sleeping and farting. All right, come on now. It's gotta be there. You're done. You've cooked long enough. That's enough. All right. Give me the output. I want to see it. Come on, Juan. Juanita. Making me wait. $12 frames, 12 FPS. I'll try a 720 after this. I want to try something, because this is pretty, I mean, it's not really photorealistic. I want to try something realistic. Let's see if we can find something while we're waiting on that. What do we got here? Well, let me go back to that so we can leave that sitting right there. And what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I don't think I really have much. What do we got? We got that stuff. Huh, interesting. We could try that. I wonder what it would do with that. That might be interesting. Let's see here. Pictures. Let's go back. No. Let's go back to there. Oh, yeah, I went to the wrong one. Yeah, I don't really have anything in here anyways. Okay. Okay, well, let's try it. I really kind of want something realistic, though. I don't think I really have anything, though. Yeah. All right. Actually, that might be interesting. I think I'm gonna try that one and all right, let's try both of these. Let's see here. Let's pull that out. No, that's not what I wanted. Go right there. Let's try this one. And we'll go to 1280, 720. 49. And then we also want to try what was that other one? Where did it go? Oh, background images. Yeah. I want to take. Interesting. Do I want to try this one or this one? Let's try this one. Edit, and let's go 16 by 9, like right there. Save as a copy. Background images, Blade Runner 1. Croppers, cropped. All right, let's try that one there. Cropped. There we go. All right, I'll put that over here. Yeah, we'll try this one first. I don't really know how to describe this. Let's try describe. Let's say describe this. Oh, let's do it like this. Let's say give me a prompt for this image. Let's say give me a prompt for, or how about give me an image to video prompt for this image. Use descriptive language, not instructional language. Okay, I'll try that. As the colossal hologram breathes with ethereal light, her translucent form might ripple and sway, a silent dance of data. Her luminous gaze could softly blink, revealing depths within her digital eyes, and her elegantly extended fingers might slowly. What's all this might? Might ripple, might slowly unfurl. Let's do this. Let's do a little edit. Her translucent form ripples and sways. Her luminous gaze softly blinks, revealing depths within her digital eyes, and her elegantly extended fingers her extended fingers slowly unfurl. drawing the viewer's eye into the vastness between her and the distant observer. On the weathered bridge, the lone figure stands. Subtle shift. Ripples through their posture, a thoughtful turn of the head. Let's get rid of that. You know what? Deliberate step, hinting at an unspoken connection. In the periphery, the city's glow. Pulses. Okay, we'll just go with that. Damn, Gina, you not done yet? Holy shit. Oh, it's doing something. I saw it. I saw my GPU. It's gotta be about there. System RAM's at 70%. That's a good bit. Yeah, it's crazy. At 1280, this whole process takes like 2.5 minutes. Did I say 1280? It's 720. 1280 by 720. She gotta be about there. I am not giving up on you. I want my 1080 frames. I want my 1080 frames. You better not disappoint me, Juan. After all this waiting, you better give me something good. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this regularly. I'm not gonna do this regularly. I just wanted to try it. We've already waited this long, so I'm not giving up now. But I mean, 720 is pretty good. 720, the whole thing takes like 2.5 minutes, and to get 49 frames, and it's pretty good quality. So I don't know if you saw. Where are we at here? Background loops. Where is it at here? Hacker. I must have put it somewhere else. Where is it? I thought I would have saved it in that. Oh, I think I know where it's at. It's right here. Where did I put it? Well, I think I have another copy over here, so let's look over here. No, not in there. It would be in here. No, yeah, okay, yeah, I probably have. Not in caps, and no, no, I guess not, huh? Oh, 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 damn. Okay, I see a little bit of blurring on the text right here in the middle of the screen there. But overall, the text looks a lot better. Wow. The quality is good too. Look at the quality of this table. That wood looks nice. Damn, Gina. I see you, Juan. Damn. Interesting. Yeah, I gotta get a 5090, man, because this looks good. If I could do more frames, that would be fire. Huh. Very interesting. Okay. I'm gonna keep that. Come back. All right, 1280. And Blade Runner, we got the prompt in there. Yeah, it came out nice. I bet if you do this same thing, you probably get it a lot faster than me. I mean, I can do 49 frames of 720. So 12 frames of 1080. I don't know why that it can't be that much larger. It can't be that much more data. I mean, I don't know the math on that. 1280 by 1280 times 720 times 49 versus 1920 by 1080 times 12. But anyways, let's run this real quick. This should take like 2.5 minutes. Let me let's see here. Assets in here. Nah, I didn't save it in there. I'll definitely try it tomorrow. Cool. Yeah, let me know. Share your results. Let's see here. Where did it go? I want to try to find that 720 version of this. I have no idea where I saved it. Did I put it in? Oh, I bet I... Nope, that's where I put that. Social media, streams, merch, streams, temp. No. Videos. Streams. Okay, what if I try... Hacker Flow VHS intro. Okay, PNG. Let's try that. Yeah, this is the, well, I wanted to find it without the text over it. This is the 720. It's got the text in the way there. I was trying to see. There's more morphing in the text on the screen on the 720 version. This also has grain and a wave warp over it because it's got I put like a VHS effect over it in Premiere, so it's not actually this grainy. I don't know where the hell the original went. Open file location on that. No, that's not right. Go back. Let's try open file location on that. Oh, I put this in titles. Yeah, that makes sense. But I don't know where the original went. That's crazy. Certainly I didn't. Oh, maybe I just left it in my downloads. 5, 4, 3, 5. Okay. This hacker. What does this one look like? Oh, this is Veo. Okay, we got 1, 14, 16. Let's check 16. Yeah, okay. And then 14. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gotta be this one then. Yeah, you can see the warping and the morphing of the text there. As opposed to this, the text is like way better. That's pretty nice, man. I'm pretty happy with that. It takes forever, but yeah, not bad. Oh, it's 2.5 minutes per sampler, so I guess it's 5 minutes total. Be interesting to see what this does. I have no clue what this is gonna do. This is gonna do something crazy. Still, it's a lot faster than the fucking 1080. Yeah, we gotta figure out something. If I can figure out something to do, if I can figure out a way to do like a tiled encoding and decoding or something, I can probably speed that up a lot. I mean, it's all that bottleneck on and the VAE, so the sampling was actually not that bad. There's got to be a way, which would be cool because I would like to be able to do 1080, and not just for me, but I'm sure a lot of people would like to be able to do 1080 on a smaller GPU. So let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, not bad. Ah, that's cool, man. Put some audio, do some like text to speech, use your little text to speech app and put some audio for her, whatever, I don't know, make up some words of whatever she's saying. It's not bad though. All right. Now, let's Let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed with Juan, that's for sure. Let's do also, where did it go? Right. Right. And here, here. Yes. Now, oh, now this one. Describing a magical scene. I fucking love Gemini, man. So cool. A gentle cascade of snowflakes drifts through the deep indigo, flickering. Her face upturned, serene wonder. Okay. Let's give that a go. Yeah. Let's go with that. Yeah, I like one, man. Pretty fire. Pretty fire. Oh, bro. Have you seen that Weapons movie? Oh, that shit is crazy. I haven't been watching a whole lot of movies and stuff lately, but I watched that yesterday. It's pretty crazy. Go lay down. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I was thinking it was based on the description. I was thinking it was going to be kind of like Stranger Things vibes. It is not Stranger Things vibes at all. It is very, very much a horror film. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Damn, what is this? Is this taking so? Why is this taking so long? Am I tripping? What's going on here? Last night I saw a film. As I recall, it was a horror film. Why is this one taking so long? Huh. That's weird. This is on the sampler too. It's already past the VAE. What's going on? Look at my VRAM. My VRAM's at 28, GPU's at 9. It's like it's not doing anything. What are you doing, bro? Okay, well, how about we do a restart? Boom. Big ass castle. Hmm. Oh, oh, cramp in my foot. Oh my god. Oh god. What the hell? Oh, oh, that sucks. About time for some sleep. This is weird. What's going on here? Oh, here we go. Okay. I think it's going now. Yeah, it's going now. All right, cool. I was like, what the hell, bro? Oh, hopefully yeah, okay. I want to save that. Let's download that. And let's download that. Hopefully that worked. Downloads. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, there we go. This one took a minute 15. That's, I don't know. It's weird. It's the same size, same amount of frames. I don't know what's going on. It's going a little bit slower. It's going though. Hey, go lay down. Lay down. Lay it down. Yeah, I think we're gonna let this one go and then we gonna get some sleep because I gotta be up early. Not too early, but early enough. And I've been up early this morning already, so get my spicy chicken sandwich. I got this Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Find me something to watch. Fall asleep. All right, come on. 75 seconds. Jeez, are we not live? What's that delay looking like? Not too bad. We got about a minute delay. I see. I'll see this result, then I need to go to bed. Yeah, same. Nearly 4 a.m. Yeah, time flies, man. 2.5 hours we've been going. Yep. I'm gonna go to bed after this one, too. Oddly enough, it's the sampling that's taking a little longer on this one. About twice as long. Oh, no. No, I guess. Hmm. Am I tripping? No, about 2.5 minutes per sampler. Okay, yeah, I guess it's about the same duration. I'm tripping, bruh. I'm tripping. Set tripping. And I gotta work tomorrow. I don't want to work. I don't want to work. Well, I guess whatever. It's not the end of the world. Be playing my games tomorrow while I work. Playing my cash games. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. It'll probably do pretty well with this one. All right, let's see what we got. Open in a new tab. Yeah, not bad. The snow could be better, but I think snow's kind of hard to do. Should add some camera tracking so it like circles around her. I kind of in my head envisioned like the camera like, tracking around her. The snow would probably be better if I increase the FPS. But yeah, we should add some camera tracking and crank the FPS a little. I'm still gonna save it. All right. I am going to go get a chicken sandwich and crash out. And I will see you guys next time. Did you see that, Super? I don't know if you were there for. Let me know if you saw that. I'll play it real quick if you didn't see it. All right, cool. All right, cool. Peace out. I'll catch you guys later.